In this video, you'll learn how to generate business plans using Kimi AI. By following these steps, you will be able to create tailored business plans efficiently and effectively. To begin, navigate to the Kimi AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once you are on the Kimi AI homepage, you should see a clean interface with various options available for you to explore. Next, locate the prompt section on the interface. This is typically a text input area where you can enter your requests. It should be clearly labeled, making it easy to identify. Once you find this section, you can proceed to the next step. Now, type in the phrase generate business plans for marketing into the prompt area. Ensure that your spelling and phrasing are correct, as this will guide the AI in generating the appropriate content. After entering your request, you will notice that the input box allows for clear text entry. After you have typed your request, look for the Enter button on the interface. This button is usually located near the prompt section. Click on it to submit your request. Once clicked, you should see a visual indication such as a loading spinner or a progress bar confirming that your request is being processed. Once you have submitted your request, the AI will begin generating the business plan. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your request and the current demand on the service. It is important to be patient during this time as the AI works to create a comprehensive business plan that meets your specifications. When the generation process is complete, the business plan will be displayed on the screen. You should review the output carefully to ensure it meets your expectations. If necessary, you can refine your request and repeat the process for improved results. Keep in mind that larger or more detailed requests may take longer to process depending on your internet speed and the responsiveness of the Kimi AI service. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.